Welcome to this Ready to Craft. In this video, I will show you how to create a beautiful book page wreath. To begin, I'm going to find the center of my board. I'm going to make 2 wreaths out of this piece. To draw my circle, I'm going to use a piece of string and a thumbtack. Tie a loop at one end of the string. Place the tack through your loop and press into your center mark. Determine how long you need your string to be, and tie a loop for your pencil. I'm going to make a larger outer circle and then a smaller interior one. Cut the center circle and the ring out. Unfortunately, we're going to have to harvest some book pages. I purchased a book at a thrift store. Using a hobby knife, cut the pages close to the binding. Trim any edges that need it. I have a page I've already made to use as a guide. Roll the page into the desired shape. I'm keeping it in place by using a staple. Before we begin adding our pages, I'm going to attach a little rope to act as a hanging point. Let the glue cool completely before moving to work on the front of the board. To make placement easier, I'm going to draw a guideline for myself. Then I'll glue my paper cones down, concentrating my glue near the tip. Don't worry about these empty spaces, we'll go back and fill them in. Once all the pages are attached, I'm going to fill the center with artificial flowers and leaves.
Be careful when removing artificial flowers from their stems. You may need to glue some of the layers together to keep the flowers intact. For the larger wreath, I've already glued down the first layer of papers. I'm going to allow my second row to hang off the edge. Once I've gotten them all glued down, I'll apply some glue to the underside of the point and stick it to the back of the wreath. After that has cooled, we can begin decorating. I'm going to create a bow out of some ribbon. Apply the bow with a lot of glue and allow it to cool before moving on. I'm going to add leaves and flowers along the inside of my wreath as well. This project is simple and doesn't take too long, but the result is very dramatic and eye-catching. If you try this craft out, we'd love to see it. Our social media links can be found in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If there's a foam board craft that you'd like to see a ready to craft of, let us know in the comments.